Is your HP printer showing error code 0xc19a0003 and refusing to print? Don't worry, this is a common issue usually caused by printhead problems or internal glitches. And the good news is you can fix it in just 5 minutes. In today's video, I'll walk you through 3 simple and effective methods from resetting your printer to cleaning the printhead using the app and manually. Just follow along step by step and your printer should be back to working smoothly in no time. If you need extra help, you can always call the number shown on the screen. Otherwise, let's jump right into the fix. Before we start the step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Reset your printer. Turn off your HP printer. Unplug the power cord from the back of the printer. Disconnect the same power cord from the wall outlet. Wait for around 60 seconds. Plug the power cord back into the wall outlet. Reconnect the power cord to the printer. Your laser jet should turn on automatically. Note, if it doesn't power on, press the power button to switch it manually. Method 2. Clean printhead using HP Smart App. Open the HP Smart App. Select your DeskJet printer from the home screen. Scroll down to the Tools section and tap Alignment and Maintenance. Tap Clean Printhead, then hit the Clean button and wait for the process to complete. Method 3. Clean printhead manually. Open the front cover of the printer. Wait for a moment for the ink cartridges to move into the replacement position. Gently press the cartridges to release them. Carefully remove the cartridges without touching the contacts. Then, use a dry, lint-free cloth to gently clean the contacts on each one. Reinsert the cartridges, close the front cover, and you're all set. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.